Hi, Mike Forcier of Property Shop back with Don Sweetman to talk a bit more about insurance. And what we'd like to ask you about right now is knob and tube wiring. What are your concerns?
Big scare there with most of our insurance companies because it means the home is quite old. The wiring could be faulty, could be inadequate to support the appliances within the home.
Okay.
Quite often they'll say no, we will not offer insurance with that kind of wiring. We have had some companies who'll say, yes, we'll look at it, send us pictures, and we'll give the new owner 30 days to comply with rewiring, which can be a significant cost to the new homeowner. But it needs to be dealt with prior to occupation rather than after occupation.
Would this make sense then to make sure that you could get insurance prior to the closing?
Yeah,
and possibly a home inspection would help?
A home inspection is a great tool. It's a third-party arm's length opinion of your potential new home, and why not have the vendor split the cost with you? It's your assurance of some credibility in the home.
Okay.